Welcome. If you're looking to customize your Messenger chats but want something a little simpler than a full theme, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to use chat colors instead of themes on Messenger, with the latest steps for 2025. Whether you want to brighten up your conversations or just add a personal touch, it's super easy. Let's get started. First, open up your Messenger app. Make sure you have the latest version installed so you see all the newest options. Once you're in, pick any chat you'd like to customize. This can be a conversation with a friend, a group chat, or even a chat with yourself. Any chat works. Now, tap on the name at the top of the chat screen. This will open up the chat settings menu, where you can find all sorts of ways to personalize your conversation. Here's where most people go straight for the theme option, but today, we're going to do something a little different. Tap on Theme, and you'll see a variety of colorful themes and backgrounds. But if you scroll down, you'll notice a section labeled Color. This is what we want. Instead of applying a full theme, selecting a color will simply change the accent color of your chat bubbles and text highlights, keeping things simple and clean. Browse through the color options until you find one that fits your style. There are plenty to choose from. Whether you prefer a classic blue, a bold red, or something more subtle, you'll find a color that matches your vibe. Just tap your chosen color, and you'll see your chat instantly update with the new accent. That's it. You've now customized your Messenger chat using just a color instead of a full theme. It's a quick and easy way to make your conversations feel more personal without going overboard. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tips. Enjoy chatting in style.